Hello everyone, today I'm honored to be part of this artist collaboration to come together to celebrate Kim's birthday. Hello Kim's, happy birthday to you. And thank you to support the rest of the artists with their channel links in the description below. On this special day, I would like to wish Kim a life full of happiness and of course lots of many happy returns. Today I'm going to create something different apart from my portrait drawings. That is to paint sunflowers which signify uplifting and positivity in your life. For this painting, I'm using gouache that is quite similar to watercolor, but they are more opaque than watercolor. It's been a while since I'm using wet medium on a piece of art. For this painting, I'm trying to create like a painterly look, more of a dreamy style or Ghibli style. In a Japanese animation, and I hope that I can try new techniques again and to relearn along the journey. So this can be a very cheerful painting that I emphasize a lot on the lighting, the sunlight, and the timestamp of the day, which is more like a very nice weather, very sunny weather. With this, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and I hope that Kim will like it.